pretty standard way that we meet people these days is, for instance, I'll use this example because I'm a mom. You go to the playground, you meet another mom at the playground, your kids are playing together, or they're off playing, doing whatever. You have a vibe, you strike up a conversation, and you say, oh, I'd really love to get together sometime, maybe like grab a coffee or something. And you exchange phone numbers so that you can text each other. Now, here's where you pay attention. First, who's initiating texts? And second, are they reciprocating? If I am always the one who initiates a text conversation, I'm not saying that it's a red flag, but it's definitely one that I'm going to pay attention to. And if responses to our texting conversations are things like just hitting the like button on something, or yeah, sounds good, and that's it, if there's no reciprocity of effort early on, another thing to watch out for.